The English Advanced course is very challenging, but it is also very rewarding. All Stage 6 English courses build upon the skills that you have been learning throughout your schooling. In the English Advanced course, students continue to explore opportunities to investigate complex ideas in challenging texts, to emulate, evaluate, and employ powerful, creative, and sophisticated ways to use language to make meaning, and also to find enjoyment in literature. Students refine their understanding of the dynamic relationship between language, text, and meaning. They do this through critical study and through the skillful and creative use of language forms and features, and of structures of text composed for different purposes in a range of contexts. Through study of the course modules, students continue to develop their skills to question, reconsider, and refine meaning through language, and to reflect on their own processes of responding, composing, and learning. This slide outlines the course structure and requirements for the English Advanced course. You will notice that it looks very similar to the other English courses. In Year 11, there are 3 mandatory modules, and you need to study a range of texts. A key feature for the Year 11 English Advanced course is that you need to support your study with your own wide reading. In Year 12, we start to see some further differences. There are 4 mandatory modules which are similar to the other English courses. However, the English Advanced course does require the study of 4 prescribed texts. This is because in Module A, you will need to compare 2 texts. You are also required to study a Shakespearean drama, which is not a requirement of the other courses. Module C, the craft of writing, is a little bit different to the other modules in that you'll study a range of different texts in this module. HSC students need to do one of the 5 mandatory English courses. Those students who wish to pick Extension English as an additional course must pick Advanced English, as it is a requirement for Extension English. It's also important to note that in the HSC exam, the performance band descriptors for English Advanced, English Standard, and English Studies for those who sit the exam is exactly the same. This means that a student who achieves 1 mark in one course has a mark equal to another student in another course. For example, a student who achieved an 80 in English Advanced, their mark is equal to a student who achieved 80 in English Standard and is treated the same when ATARs are calculated. If you are thinking of studying English Advanced, we highly recommend that you listen to the advice of your English teacher and consider the range of data available to you, such as your Year 9 and 10 English assessment data, how you performed in NAPLAN, and how you went in the HSC minimum standards. We only recommend the English Advanced course to students who are passionate about English and enjoy reading a range of texts, because you are going to need to read a lot, and being able to enjoy these texts makes it a lot easier for you. We recommend this course for students who are confident in completing tasks in English. You also need to be prepared to complete extensive individual study outside of class, work in group tasks and on project-based learning, and to be confident to share your own thoughts and opinions. English Advanced is a course that would help you in any future career because it would give you the following skills: development of reading, writing, speaking and listening skills through classwork and assessment, development of collaborative skills through paired and group tasks, an understanding of university level English, including the study of journal readings, and a deeper understanding of the importance of text in society. Thank you.